Hello friends, Namaskar, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to one of the PowerBI and trading video. Basically, it's the third video where I will share with you guys to analyze the historical data. The previous video was about the gap up, gap downs, and this particular video is about the Nifty change, the day's change. So basically, again, I have the same data for the past 1 year, and we analyze this data to see how Nifty behaved. Uh, Nifty as well as Bank Nifty behaved in the past 1 year, and we can analyze this in just 1 minute, less than a minute. Okay, I'll show you how. So basically, the report here shows that out of last 1 year, 156 time Nifty was positive and 104 time Nifty was negative. So basically, what it draws is Nifty is more positive than negative. Obviously, India is a growing market. We are in uptrend. Even if you look at the chart, it shows uptrending Nifty and Bank Nifty with the price action, right? So it also gives you additional information that the average gap up for the past 1 year is 116. Not gap up, the average positive change. Nifty moved average 116 points up and 121 points down per day average. And the maximum it moved was 736 points up in a day and 1300 points down. This is the election results effect. We all know. And what we can do is we can actually filter out this and see how Nifty and Bank Nifty behaves on a particular day or in a particular month. Okay, so let me see. Let me choose like I think the most volatile month is February, right? Let's see how it behaved in the February. Here it is. Let me filter February. So you can see in February 13 times we traded in on the past year. 13 times Nifty moved up, 8 times Nifty moved down. So 21 days of trading. So up more, right? 5%. And then the average is nominal, max is nominal. Let's say how it performed on the expiry in the February. So let's go Thursday. Let me deselect first. And then we select Thursday. Let's see how it behaved. Okay, here we go. So on Thursday in February, we had 5 Thursdays because this time we had 5 expiries. So 3 times it was up, moved up, and 2 times it was down. Okay, here it is. If you hover over it, it will show 3 times up, 2 times. So this particular 22 is the Thursday total number of Thursdays past year, like trading Thursdays, right? And it shows 32. So 32 Thursdays are up, 22 Thursdays are down. So what else? What else I can show you? Let's say like today is Monday. I want to see how it will behave. What is the probability? Like tomorrow is Tuesday. Let's go Tuesday. And where are we? We are in July. Let me select July. We have 2 Julys. It's 23 and 24. Let me select this as well. So I choose July and Tuesdays. So it will be 4 and then 2. So 6 times in the previous history, July Tuesday was Nifty was positive, and 1 time it was negative. And the average is negative is very minimal, positive 56, right? Max and min also vary. So this data shows that on a Tuesday in July, Nifty is highly positive, right? So 6 times up, 1 time down, so almost 6 times high probability, and 113, 56, both are more positive number. Even if it goes down, it goes very minimal. So close your eyes in July, trade positive, up trade, you'll be profitable. So this is what the historical data gives. On top of that, we have now, yeah, budget and all. But okay, let go of the budget and let's see how it behaved in July, August, right? Let's go select all. Then we'll choose. There is August, August. So in August, okay, 11 times up, 11 times down. So it's even, right? And 48 up, 94. So it's more negative, average. And up was 135 to 7. So we can give a rough idea that August will be a sideways month, kind of. Okay, that's it, guys. I wanted to share this with you. And the next video, I'll discuss. Oh, let me show you Bank Nifty as well. Sorry about that. I took 1 minute literally, I guess. Okay, let's see. Bank Nifty also same. See, whatever I filtered there, it also got filtered here. Let's do select all and then August. Let's see what it shows. So 7 up, 15 down. So Bank Nifty. Oh, sorry. What's happening? 15 down. Okay. Yeah. Bank Nifty August is negative. More. Almost double. You can trade accordingly. Okay. What else? Let's see for tomorrow. Okay. Deselect all. Got Tuesday. Then we'll. Tuesdays are normally. I was going August. Okay. Let's remove that filter. Okay, on Tuesdays, Bank Nifty is 21 times positive, 30 times negative overall. So Tuesdays is bad for kind of little bit. Max was 900, so wow, 4K. So let's go what happened in July. Okay, if I choose July, one time up, three time down. So should we do this one, then two, and five times down, three and two. Yeah, so tomorrow looks like Bank Nifty might go down as per the historical data. Okay, guys, yeah, that's it for the third video. And the next video, I will discuss how to analyze OI. See, I have here Nifty Pro data, client data, along Nifty Move. Okay, see you in the next video. Till then, bye.